This is a story about a wonderful natural places, a warm civilization, and you need to know every inch of this land. A waterfall that waiting for you to explore deep inside. A legendary mosque that called Anampulua Kurang Aso, and it's believed by its people as a sacred places. An unordinary traditional performance that can satisfy your thirst for culture. You will not find it anywhere else, only here. A water adventure that offer you a joy. The green land that offer you a tranquility. A tea factory that produce the best tea in the world. And also a local fish that are really tasteful and you need to try it. A heritage that you need to visit in here. 1,000 rumah gadang. It is contain a history about Minangkabau, a history about this place, and even you can stay here if you wanted to. A natural hills and a natural cave, and it's a natural preserve of this land. South Solok, the heart of Minangkabau. Wonderful Indonesia.